friends, it's Miss Stacey and welcome to our Rainbow Playroom. Today I wanted to chat with you about one of my favorite things, and it's called a national park. Have you ever heard of a national park? If not, let me share with you about it. Welcome to Play, Play, Play. This is our magical playroom, where everything is colorful and we have lots of fun. Here, we are community. We practice kindness and we get to be ourselves. National parks are different parks around the world where there's trees and lakes and rivers and waterfalls, and people pay to make sure that these are taken care of. So they have different police that take care of them. They're called rangers, and they make sure that the trees and everything are safe, and also the animals that live there, because in these places there's bears, there's snakes, there's buffalo, there's deer, and they're all wild. It's such a beautiful place in the world because it's really natural. It's nature. And I recently went on a hike where I got all dressed up, as you can see, and I got to explore one of these national parks. It's one of my favorite things to do, and I wanted to share it with you because I think you would like it too. Do you know what a hike is? If not, it's where you walk. And when you're walking, or I guess you can run on a hike, you're exploring the outdoors. You can hike in your neighborhood, you can hike up a mountain, you can hike around a lake. It's like a long, beautiful walk. It's really fun to learn about nature and see the different trees, the different animals, the different birds, the different bugs, the different weather. Is it hot or is it cold? And all of the things we can see. So I want to take you on a hike with me. Let's go.
To mimic it for like protection?
Yeah, exactly. Here he comes, guys.
Look at him.
He's a friendly snake.
Yeah, Western terrestrial is what they call him.
If you look closely at this tree, you'll see the bear claws where the bear was scratching it. And this is an edible berry that you can eat while you're hiking.
Clouds wisping up.
Driving through the clouds.
Very surreal.
Let's go swimming!
And what I like to do on my hike is collect a rainbow of treasures, and I'm going to teach you how. My favorite way to play the rainbow game is to get yourself an ice tray. You can also use a leftover egg carton that has little holes, something that you can create. You don't need to buy anything fancy. And what you do is each hole you make into a color. So let's say this is the color blue. On our hike, you have to see, do you see anything blue? It can be a leaf, it can be a rock, it could even be trash. And you do all the colors, green, brown, white, black, pink, yellow. And you see, can you find the rainbow of colors? It's so much fun, and I hope you'll do it.
Hi, we're the Burgers, and this is our first time going on a hike. We came all the way from Japan to visit the famous Glacier National Park in Montana. We heard about the beautiful bodies of water and waterfalls that come from the glaciers, which melt from the mountaintops and make these beautiful lakes that we can see. We're a little bit nervous because we heard this is a bit of a hard hike. There's some mountains to see, there's a beach surrounding a beautiful lake where we might have lunch, and we're gonna follow the trail and see what animals we see. I'll start. Dirt, 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 dirt. Oh my goodness, a wild horse. Well, I guess technically it's not wild. It's somebody owns it, but oh my goodness, beautiful. Look at her running. Oh, I love it. Derp, derp, derp. Come on, friends.
Oh, Pink, do you see the wild buffalo? Wow, that's like bison. We can't get too close though, we have to be careful. Let's keep walking and give it some space.
Come on, Orange. Oh, and a deer. Do you guys see the deer? Wow, look at those antlers. So many beautiful animals. This one's kind of on our trail, so we need to give it some space. Let's go around the lake so we can go visit the beach. Ooh, that was a lot of hiking. I'm so glad I brought some sunscreen in my hat and also some water. Yeah, over here they have ice cream. Should we get some? Okay. Here's some ice cream. I think we're gonna have to split it because there's too much. Mmm, delicious. Let's see if we can go for a swim. I think I'm too scared.
Me too. Orangey, you try it.
It is the beach, friends. Whoa! Whoa! It feels wonderful. You should go in. I'll try it. Woo! You're right, Orangey. Oh, it's so refreshing.
I'll try it next time.
Oh, and look at these mountains. Do you think we can make it to the top? Hike, 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 hike. A mountain goat. Wow, hi, mountain goat. Thanks for sharing your beauty with us. Man, the sun is blaring today. Oh, so glad I brought a hat. Oh my gosh, I spot a bear. A bear in the water getting some drinks and getting some berries before it goes into hibernation. Wow, how amazing. I've never seen a bear besides in the zoo. You guys, that was wonderful. Okay, let's make sure we head back on our trail. Hike, 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 hike. Hike, 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 hike. Hike, 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 hike.
Have you heard of this thing? It's called Rainbow Treasure, and every time you're traveling and doing a hike, you can find different colors of the rainbow. We forgot to do it today, but there's some colors we saw. We saw the green, where the bison and the horse was. We saw brown, which was our trail, which is where we saw the deer. We saw blue, which was like the water, where we saw the black bear, so we saw black. And the bear was drinking from the water from the glaciers from the mountain. We saw the brown, white sand beach. We saw the yellow sun. We saw so many things. Wow, we can't wait to go on another hike again soon. Bye, friends.
Thanks so much for playing and learning with me, friends. I learned so much today. It was so fun seeing those animals and exploring the waterfalls. I love getting to go swimming in those if we get lucky. You can't every time, but sometimes you can. And thanks for doing sensory play with me. Bye!